प्रीवियस एग्जांपल आई थिंक सबसे कंपाइल हो गया है. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are muted.
ओके. ठीक है. नाउ इट्स ओके है ना. हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how I was muted, but okay. So अभी जो मैं बता रही थी, size of operator. Okay, so the size of operator is used to find the size of any variable or the size of data types.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, you're
again.
muted again.
Please don't do this, है ना. Hello.
Ma'am, now you are again audible.
Yes, I'm audible, but who is muted? Give me 2 seconds. I make all of you like as a attendee, okay? So I think this problem will not again. Only 26 students present. Again, okay. I will make all of you as a attendee. Okay. I think there will be not any problem again. है ना? And total I can see 33 student right now. So okay. ठीक है. तो size of operator. So the size of operator is used to find the size of a variable or any data types in term of bytes, because our computer system storage any value in the bytes. Okay, in the 16 byte. Previously I told you. Okay, so size of operator is normally used to determine the length of array. ठीक है. तो right now I am not discussing about array, because you people don't know about na array, means you did not see how the array used, है ना. So I am not going in the array. I am just telling to you कि data size operator is used to find the size of any variable or any data type in terms of byte. ठीक है. Can you see now here? Okay. Hello.
Ma'am, are you sharing your PPT?
Yes.
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
is
it
not
is not.
visible.
It's not visible.
What's
Ma'am,
going
it is not visible.
Okay. Let me say it again. Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so here I am talking about the in the bytes, not the array. है ना? क्योंकि आप लोग hello. Is
Yes,
everything
ma'am.
fine from my side, or still any problem? PPT, my voice is clear, or still having facing any problem from my side?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. So normally size of is used to find the size of user defined data types. Okay, means whatever user have to define. So the size of operator is used to find the size of user defined data types. Okay, for example, if I written a program for the byte occupied by, है ना, means how much number occupied by character or unsigned character. Okay. Hello. What is the unsigned character? Please tell me, anyone. Unsigned character.
Ma'am, which do not take
Or
negative
the
values,
positive
only
value.
from 0 to positive values. In
Okay.
that range.
Okay, okay. So data types is the means very in the simple meaning. They used to find the size of variable. Okay, like any character or unsigned character in the programming in the terms of bytes. I am talking about the bytes, not the array. Means आप इसको बाद में भी कर सकते हो, because you did not know about the array. So I am talking about the bytes. Okay. So what is the conditional or ternary operator? Means colon or any expression, है ना? Already I think you are started the loop programming, if else and loop programming you have started now. Hello.
No, ma'am, not till now in the class.
Not yet, ma'am.
Not a class.
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So conditional operator is used for the means any condition or any question mark. Okay, like you can see na here the expression, then 2 and 3. Okay, so expression 1 is evaluate first. If the expression is true, Is are you doing if loop or nothing loop? Hello.
No loops have been done, ma'am.
Ma'am, we haven't studied if condition yet.
Have you done this program? Have you done this program? Hello.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Illogical or logical, not logical, and these are this PPT are done or not?
Ma'am, we've done logical and.
Okay. So please explain me what is the logical and.
Both the conditions need to be true in order for the flag to be 1.
Anyone? Anyone else? Anyone else? In your class, total 35 students, and today is the 32 student present. Okay. So I want to hear from all of your side, from all
Ma'am,
individuals.
both the conditions need to be true, then only we'll get one value.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about logical or?
Any one condition can be true and we'll get one value. Both the conditions need to be false, then we'll get a 0 value.
Logical not.
It will be the opposite of the
It
value.
works the flag.
If it's
Everything
1, that
gets
will be 0.
opposite.
That if it's 0, that will be 1.
Okay. Then assignment operator. Okay. So the assignment operator evaluate an expression on the right of the expression and substitute it to value or variable on the left of the expression. Okay. You can see here the this example. This is the very means basic and very easy example. है ना? Here value a plus b is evaluated and substitute to the variable x. Okay, there is nothing to means not like you cannot understand. Is very simple. So in addition, C has a set of short-handed assignment operator for the form, means variable, operand and expression. Okay, it's clear to you? Hello. So variable and expression is a operand in a C binary arithmetic operator. The operator is known as the shortened assignment operator. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, these are the assignment operator. Okay, both are the same. You can write down here or like this, and like this. This is the way of the written in your C programming. Okay. Hello. You can write this or this. Both are the same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please ये वाला प्रोग्राम आप लोग करो विथ ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर लिंक है ना आप लोग के पास? हेलो, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर लिंक? हेलो,
Ma'am, can you post it again?
Please share it.
प्रीवियस क्लास में किसने किया था चैट पे पोस्ट? इन प्रीवियस क्लास प्लीज पोस्ट अगेन. हेलो 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 प्रीवियस क्लास में पोस्ट किया था ना आपके क्लास में?
मैं वापस पोस्ट कर दिया।
ठीक है, पोस्ट हो गया, ठीक है, ओके। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हेलो हेलो हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
all of you also need to post your screenshot in the chat after compiling your program. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
all students. Okay. Jasandeep has sent me and Sahil Jain. Okay. Okay, only 2 students have sent me, Sahil and Jasandeep. Please do fast. Other
मैम
students.
एक्चुअली मैम ये एग्जांपल था किसका मैम?
बेटे. Who is
असाइनमेंट
asking? Who is
जशनदीप.
asking?
जशनदीप.
You done program and after completed program you asking what is the program?
मैम देख के कर लिया लेकिन समझ नहीं आया कुछ मैम, आउटपुट कैसे आ गई?
समझ नहीं आया आपको तो आपको पहले
Yes.
पूछना ना जब मैं आपको बता रही थी. हेलो.
यस मैम.
दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द योर ऑपरेटर्स, है ना, जो आपके ऑपरेटर्स है लाइक असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर, है ना, एंड आपके जो भी यहाँ पे यू कैन सी ए इक्वल टू 2 एंड एन इक्वल टू 100. तो these are the assign, है ना, we are assigning the value in the operand means a and n. Okay, and then here in the while loop a less than n. हेलो. पीपीटी विजिबल है ना अभी तो? हेलो, है ना. सो दिस इज अगेन द ऑपरेट. हेलो. दिस इज अगेन एग्जांपल फॉर द ऑपरेटर्स. ओके, हाउ ऑपरेटर यूज ऑन द ऑपरेंड्स. ऑपरेटर जो है ऑपरेंड के ऊपर कैसे यूज होते हैं वो आपको ये एग्जांपल था, बहुत ही सिंपल सा. ठीक है. हेलो. हेलो. Okay, then increment and decrement operators already you did na, है ना. So I move on further. Then there are also some special operators. Okay, for the pointer. Hello. 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 Please mute your mic. Please. Yes, Aditya. You are raising your hand, Aditya. Yes.
It was a mistake. A mistake.
Okay.